If you've purchased an off-grid inverter in recent years, chances are it was a 6 or 12 kilowatt light-duty, high-frequency transformerless model. If you've experienced nuisance shutdowns, poor motor starting performance, or reliability issues, you're not alone. For decades, serious off-grid systems relied on heavy-duty, low-frequency transformer-based inverters because they delivered higher surge capacity, greater durability, and proven long-term reliability. So why did manufacturers abandon them? Simple: cost. Removing the transformer dramatically reduces manufacturing and shipping expenses. But while it's cheaper to build, that doesn't always make it the better inverter to own.
Whether you're providing backup power for the lights and sound system at a massive metal concert in Pasadena, California, or keeping your home's lights and appliances running through the next monster storm in Norman, Oklahoma, OffGridSolar.com has got you covered. With over 28 years of experience in the solar industry, we offer the absolute lowest prices, the very best products, and unparalleled service.
Morning breaks across the valley floor. Golden light comes pouring through the door. Current rising with the dawn's first flame. Every day begins the same. Batteries waiting through the night so long. Now they're filling up and growing strong. Silent power stored and standing by, ready when the grid runs dry. When the thunder shakes the evening sky and the neighborhood goes dark tonight, we don't worry, we don't run or hide. Our power's always by our side. Another day, another charge comes in. The cycle starts all over again.
Every DIY solar battery backup system that we sell is built with premium inverters, industrial-grade switchgear, and high-performance lithium batteries chosen for one reason: long-term reliability. If you're searching for the lightweight, consumer-grade, high-frequency inverters promoted by YouTube influencers chasing affiliate commissions, you've come to the wrong place. Our 10-kilowatt iron core inverter is built with massive, heavy-duty output transformers, delivering real-world performance that outperforms and outlasts many of the 12-kilowatt high-frequency transformerless units everyone else is pushing. Designed for brutal surge loads and demanding 24/7 operation, it's far more resistant to failure from lightning strikes, high inrush current exposure, and punishing inductive loads than the lightweight, high-frequency alternatives flooding today's market.
Life in full bloom when the thunder shakes the evening sky and the neighborhood goes dark tonight. We don't worry, we don't run or hide. Our power's always by our side. Another day, another charge comes in. The cycle starts all over again.
This system also includes high-quality, top-name brand Eve Energy LFP cells in its batteries. When it comes to lithium battery cells, Eve Energy is one of the most trusted names in the world. Founded in 2001, Eve has grown into a global powerhouse in advanced battery manufacturing, producing millions of high-performance lithium cells used in electric vehicles, grid storage, and renewable energy systems worldwide. Eve's LFP cells are known for exceptional reliability, long cycle life, and industry-leading safety. Their proven chemistry and precision manufacturing have made them a dominant force in the global energy storage market.
When the utility lines finally quit and every house around us loses it, our batteries carry us right through, doing exactly what they're built to do. I found peace when I took control and built a system of my own. OffGridSolar.com, OffGridSolar.com keeps me strong. OffGrid
Bring us the best off-grid solar quote you've got, your strongest, most competitive offer, and watch us crush it. We'll beat it with higher quality, longer lasting, higher performance, top name brand equipment, and still deliver a price no dealer can touch.